me?
I dey hear you, I dey hear you.
Why is it that white men that brought Christianity to us, they are still the same people that slave us, turn us into a slave, use us for their selfish purposes, leaving our ancestors' forefather in heartbreak, regretting why they allowed them in at the first place?
Okay. Now let me tell you, I've been hearing people saying that white people came to Africa, they gave us Bible, they slave us go. No. Now, for an example, we are in Nigeria and we want to travel to London, or we want to travel to China, or we want to travel to Dubai. And in that airplane that want to take us, we are 200 passengers in one airplane. And that 200 passengers, all of us, we are in Nigeria. All of us, we are a citizen of Nigeria. We are from Nigeria. Now, that 200 passengers, some are going to America, or some are going to London, some are going to school, some are going to do business, some are going to work, some are going to that place to do scam, to do evil. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So now that 200 passengers, they are from Nigeria, but they have different missions. If you want to travel to London now, you enter plane and you see all the Nigerians there. Some of them are going their place on their business. Everybody are going on their own way. So the people that came to Africa, the people that came to Nigeria, that bring us Christianity, they are not the one that slave us. They are not the one, but all of them, they are white people. Like, for example, you heard what happened to Dubai. I don't know what Dubai, they say all the Nigerians should go back. Why? We are more than 170 million of Nigeria, or 200 million Nigerians. Now, because of 20 or 50 people that commit crime in Dubai, now they condemn all the Nigerians. Do you understand what I said? Do you understand me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes. So that thing that happened to Dubai, they use because of few people that commit crime. They say all the Nigerians should go. But not all the Nigerians are evil. So the people that gave us Christianity, they are different than the people that slave us. Now, wait. Came to Africa.
But you forget, say now white people now get Christianity. Now they carry Christianity. So why they come enslave us? Now that's the question. I never see the answer. Yes, after we don't believe in Christian, they come enslave us. Waiting cause.
Yes. Yes, that is what I say.
How can that same people still lead us to heaven? Person wey enslave us, how dem come still say, okay, now the white person wey dem say Jesus Christ na go still lead us to heaven. And then many questions we need to ask.
Themselves are Christians.
Yes.
Okay.
Even the slave masters, they are Christian.
Yes, I know. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. Now, even Queen Elizabeth and the other ones, they are pretend they are Christians, but they are not doing what Christ wants. Now, listen, there was a news either this evening now or yesterday, news that flying on social media about one pastor, they catch her with a pregnant woman, something like that. Now, I don't know. They said that the man is a pastor. Yes, he may be a pastor, but we see what that man practice. It's against the word of God we study. It's against the word that Jesus Christ of Nazareth taught us. So now I know there are a lot of white people claim they are Christian and they came to slave us. But if you come to Nigeria right now, you will see some governors, you will see some politicians. Some of them pretend they are Christians, but they are not doing what Christ wants them to do. They are not following the footsteps of Jesus. It's possible that you say that I'm a Christian and I will use Bible to scam people, to slave people. It is possible. Some say that Jesus of Lubeck came to Africa and deceived many people. Many people enter into his ark and he used them as a slave. Yes. That Jesus of Lubeck deceived people with his ark in Africa and slave people. That does not mean that Christianity is fake. He may use Bible to deceive people in his own time. We dey see in our own time right now. Many people, many pastors, bishops, general overseer, many of them they use Bible to scam people. That does not mean that Christianity is fake.